Hi everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to disable themed icons on Android home screen. You see, themed icons which adapt their color to your wallpaper and system theme are a feature of Android's Material You design. While the exact steps to disable them can vary slightly depending on your Android version and device manufacturer like maybe Samsung or Google Pixel, the general process is usually found within your home screen or wallpaper settings. So let me give you a step-by-step guide on how to do this. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do, which is the easiest way, is to press down or pinch or long press on your Android home screen. So you can pinch your fingers together on an empty area of your screen, or press and hold an empty space. So once you've done that, you should bring up a menu option for your home screen. You can see the menu at the bottom here. The next thing you're going to do is tap on wallpaper and styles. Now that wallpaper and styles can also be home settings. It can be personalized or something similar wordings. So it depends on your Android version. And once you've done that, you're going to click on color palette for me. Now for some phones it will be themed icons, some it will be icon shapes, some it will be app icons, or color palette and app icons. For me it's just color palette. So the next thing you're going to do is you tap on it. So you can now choose to apply a different one. Now for other versions, you might see the option for a toggle switch or a checkbox next to themed icons. Then tap on the switch or the checkbox to turn the feature off. For mine, I cannot turn the feature off. I can only change it. So I can decide to change. If you look at it, this is how it looks right now. So once I change, let's say I decide to use this one, you can see everything has changed on the screen. If I decide to use this one, I've changed it again, or this, or this. Now I click on apply. Now note that this color palette is from your wallpaper. So whatever wallpaper you're using is what you're going to have as your color palette. If I change my wallpaper, the color palette also will change. Don't forget, it's based on colors from your wallpaper. So it is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.